Take us through what your initial impressions were of Coinbase's report.
I mean, it was good, right? And I think we're going to see that priced into the markets today. Even with the impact of the one-time kind of tax credit that they had, which definitely helped from the direct listing, which did help, some of that income. The trading volume, it's just way up, and not just in retail, right? These aren't just people on Reddit who are buying more. It's institutional investors too, and that's a huge question that Coinbase had in front of it. And the answer is pretty definitively that institutional investors are using Coinbase to move a lot of crypto and not just Bitcoin. Increasingly, about 50% of their volume is not even Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's all the other altcoins. So there's a lot of interest here.
So let's go towards that point, because it is Bitcoin and Ethereum that are far and away the biggest in terms of overall market cap in cryptocurrency. But, when I look on Coinbase's platform, I see, a couple dozen other things that I've never even really heard or know that much about. I wonder how much of that is going to be the growth engine for Coinbase in the coming months and years. It's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. How much more do these coins and tokens play into the overall growth story for Coinbase?
Historically, we've always seen that Bitcoin is what moves the market, right? Where goes Bitcoin goes altcoins tends to be what happens. And so, I would shy away from the idea that Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't going to matter. But I mean, we saw this with Doge a while back. We've seen this, with other altcoins over the years, where, some of them, keep in mind, are stable coins. They're not really designed to have the kind of, crazy volatility that we sort of associate sometimes with crypto. But, there will always be a new coin that someone, wants to buy and that someone wants to sell. And the thing about Coinbase is, as long as there's volatility, as long as people are buying and selling, they make money. And so, you can't forget that even when things are going down, if they're going down and you're selling, then Coinbase is making money on that too.
They're the toll road for sure, just like every other online broker out there. Now, Sarah, if you take a look at Coinbase as a company, right now it's an exchange. They do have bigger aspirations, as many companies do, many CEOs do. What exactly would Coinbase look like in your mind in the next year, 2, 3 years?
Look, I think Coinbase is a neobank. I think that Coinbase, I think Robinhood, I think that, everyone is running around trying to get people to sign up for their neobanks for, a tiny bit of interest here, or, hey, we have a cool app there. But the reality is that, a lot of these big companies, including Coinbase, are making really serious moves to be your day-to-day bank. If you're a Gen Z, if you're a millennial, you don't necessarily need to walk into a brick and mortar bank anymore. The same place where you're, buying and selling crypto and buying and selling stock is increasingly, where you're going to earn interest, where you're going to get debit cards, credit cards. And as that happens, I think that we will see these products are much stickier than just who wants to wake up this morning and buy and sell crypto.